Hello, I'm Ms. Dowling. I'm going to show you how to navigate your Schoology course for the ceramics class that you're taking. So let's say you're taking Ceramics 1 and you're in period 2. So you'll have a dashboard. They'll look like a little like this, except it'll obviously have all of your classes. So I'll just click on that. Remember, this is the teacher dashboard. It might look a little different than yours. When you go here, you can find our Google Meet code. And so you would just enter this code every time we have a Google Meet. There won't be a different one for each day. A little bit about the Google Meet. We will be meeting in-person synchronous for Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday during second hour, 8:43 to 9:36. It is mandatory. You can see the star here. It'll take you down here. You need to check in within the first 10 minutes of each class, and we'll talk about how to check in a second. And then on Wednesdays, you're also required to come during that mini skinny time. If you were at Mountain Range last year, we have a new schedule, obviously, this year with no block, and so we have shortened classes that day. Then that's asynchronous, so you don't have to be online, but I really wish you would, so you can get some extra help or spend some time doing work then. You'll see the 2 stars here for that, so you must do the Google Form check-in every day so that you can get checked in for attendance. Then to check in, you just start here, and once you're here, you'll notice there are 2 areas, the 2 pages. So one is the page, one is the link, and this one shows your daily check-in and attendance, and this is just information about the district's attendance policy during remote learning time. So if you click here, then you have 3 options for you to sign in each day. So if you're trouble getting into Schoology, you can go to the class website, and that would work. You can also do it from our daily slide, which you'll see in a minute, or you can just click on here, and this link will take you to a Google form. You'll need to fill this out each day. Make sure you put your first and last name here, and it's by your class, so I can see it there. Of course, the date, and I'm going to ask how you're feeling just to kind of gauge things for you. And then there's a few optional questions that help me, and any questions or comments you have, and I will try to check those obviously each day because this is how I take attendance. And once you do that, you will go to the Schoology homepage, and you'll come back to your assignments. And here's where you'll find the assignments for the week. Each day will have a link to the agenda, which will take you to a slideshow. Once you're in the slideshow, it might take you a little to load because I have this Bitmoji classroom, which you may like or you may not like, but I had fun making it, and I can't be in a real classroom with you right now, so I made one. So once you're in here, you will see on the side here where you're able to visit, but you have to be in the present mode to scroll through. So of course you can click on the slides over here, but if you go to the present mode, that's a little bit easier. So the welcome is here for today. Your warm-up is where you can also take attendance. So if you didn't take attendance in Schoology, you can take attendance and do the form here. It'll link you to it. And then of course you need to go back to present there to get into that present mode. Once you're here, I'd like you to watch my back to school video if you haven't watched it, just to get to know me a little bit more. So then you go over here again and you can click here and it will explain the lesson today. Please don't start ahead of us because you may or may not know where we are with that, and it's more fun to do as a class. And then this is a little bit about the virtual meeting and what we will be talking about and introducing today. So pretty simple for the first day, and this will just navigate you through, and then you can push the escape button to get out of there, and then you can see that. So the first few assignments will be through this Google slide area or Padlet or a couple other different forms instead of turning in regular assignments. And then we will have the agenda for tomorrow. Now you can see unpublished here because they won't come out until the day of, so that you're not working ahead. Now if you do need to work ahead for some reason, you can talk to me and I can send you links to those. So we'll go back up here and it takes you to the home page, and then the last folder I have right here is classroom information, and we'll go over some of this, but if you want to get a head start on some of that, you can as well. And then to navigate back to your regular courses, you just go up here to courses. So that helped you with your introduction, and I can't wait to join you in class. Have a great day.